In front of me is HUAWEI Pura 80 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can delete widget search bar from home screen. All you need to do is hold your search bar and wait for remove pop-up to show. When it does, click on it and wait for a second one. Now tap on remove in this one as well and wait. So when I do that, as you can see, my search bar was successfully deleted. Now, if you ever wanna restore it, don't worry, I will show you how to do it now. Firstly, pinch your display until you see all of those options at the bottom. Then hit Service Widgets available between wallpaper and transitions. And what's important, scroll all the way down to hit Widgets at the bottom, and this way get the same search bar. Hold it, drag it to the proper place, and let go. Then tap on Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!